Attention business owners! Starting an online business that makes you money has become super easy. Gone are the days when you had to learn all the technical stuff to create a sales funnel or set up an online product. Good news is, you are in the right place. We have done it all for you and it's top-notch. If you've been struggling with creating your content or want to add a new product to your existing product line ASAP, there is no faster way than grabbing this ready-made PLR. If you're looking for something that will make you money and make you profit each month, our product, Google My Business 4.0 PLR Bundle, is perfect for you. Introducing Google My Business 4.0 with PLR. This is a completely DIY biz in a box that gives you everything you need to own your online business, ready to make you money quickly. You can sell it under your name and keep 100% of the profits. No skill, no experience, no update, no extra investment. Super newbie friendly. It is an in-demand product in an evergreen niche. Marketers will gladly spend their money on this. Google My Business has gone far beyond a simple business listing, and thanks to a wealth of features and functions, is now considered a core part of local SEO. According to Search Engine Watch, a top map listing of Google receives 33% of the traffic, and the organic listings receive 40% of the clicks, taking home the gold. That said, how do you rank your business higher on Google in all aspects to gain more traffic? Complete and accurate Google My Business listings get 7 times more clicks and 70% more likely to attract visitors. Google My Business can be one of the most valuable tools for any local business, one that can help you gain customers or clients, and most importantly, revenue. The events of the pandemic have catapulted GMB into the digital marketing spotlight. Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, it's more crucial than ever that you utilize and optimize GMB to display accurate, updated information about your business. If your business hours or description is out of date, you can lose a customer's trust and miss out on the lifetime value of the relationship. In a post-pandemic world where businesses are reopening at a blistering rate, it's crucial that your Google My Business profile is constantly refreshed. Otherwise, you will bleed customers. So it is the right time to master the latest knowledge on Google My Business and get page number 1 rankings. To help you get started, you can check out our comprehensive, up-to-date, and professionally researched Google My Business 4.0 training guide. By the end of the guide, you should have a foundational understanding of what Google My Business is and how to use it to gain more visibility in local search for your or your client's business. Throughout the guide, keep your eyes peeled for top tips, expert advice, and recommended resources. So here is precisely what you're going to get in this. 1. Professionally written training guide. 2. Professional graphics. 3. Animated banners. 4. High-converting sales copy. 5. Mini sites. 6. Customer sales video. 7. Legal pages. 8. Social media graphics. 9. PDF graphics with PSD files. 10. And email swipes. 11. Other selling material like mind maps, cheat sheet, and top resource report. We are providing you with a time-sensitive opportunity to get access to a quality product. It is a well-researched, top-notch package that will put money into your pockets. Money like this. You can start making money today and continue it for months because you are providing people with the product they want and need. So, get started today. Buy this product. Put your name on it. Sell and keep 100% of the profit. Remember, this is a value of more than $2,000 plus the pain involved in getting it done. But we are providing you with a shortcut to the system and providing you with a high-quality product that you can sell under your own name. Do not wait. It is a dime sale. The prices will go up. Act now.